James has just hooked his fish. Nice and easy. Well done, sweetheart. Just keep that nice and firm line on him. Don't try and bully it yet. Nice and easy. Just keep that line nice and firm, remember? Just keep reeling if you can. Jesus. Keep it tight on. Well done, my son. You beautiful boy. Well done.
As soon as it stops, keep winding.
Wind. Just okay. Come on.
Head shaker.
Yeah. Is it easier if you just... That's it, just keep a tight line on him. Do you want to back out? You just leave him there?
Take him.
Reel in a bit.
Good workout, James. Winding.
James? Oh wow. Well done. Keep the wind on now, he's pulling away. Keep going, you're doing really well, come on. Just watch that as that. That's it. Come on, buddy, come on. Remember, it's a really good bend in that rod.
Good fish, yeah. Good fish on this side.
Remember, James, this might take a while, so just be patient.
Yeah.
Nice and easy now. Don't try and brick its head off. Right, we need to get a hold of this before it goes off down the rapids. Remember, he's fighting the flow of the river as well as you, okay? That's it, keep coming, keep him coming. That's it. He's coming now. A little bit of a wind on. A little bit of a, that's it. Right. Okay, alright. Get a bit of a wind. Do you want us just to back him in? Alright, now slowly. Nice and easy. Okay. This is a good fish, James. Go on. That's it. Okay, it's alright, it's alright. Be patient. That's it. Try and get some line back on the reel. That's well done. A bit more. Alright, he's just about ready. Okay, so we're going to walk him back in like a dog, okay? Alright, ready? Hold on. Right, walk back. Walk back. Nice and easy. Just get some line on. Get some line on. Alright, walk forward. Get some line on the reel. Reel. And then let's take another 2 steps forward. Reel. Okay, because that's it. Okay. Okay, and just walk slowly. Slowly. Caught in those reeds. There he comes. That's it. Reel them in. Keep them coming. That's as far back as we're going to go. Okay. Right, okay. Start reeling again and we're going to walk forward again. Whoa, you're lifting his head out of the river. Reel. Get that line tight. That's it. Keep going, keep coming. Yes! Oh, James!
Oh my arm.
Oh my word alive, James win. What an absolute beaut.
Right, we'll get some pictures quickly.
Okay, got some videos.
Yeah, if you keep the hook in him, he's going to kick a lot, so you just get a good grip of his tail.
I don't want